Master and Dynamic launches the MW50 Plus today, a slightly updated version of its MW50 headphones that brings an intriguing touch to the company's product line: the ability to switch between ear and over-ear styles in a single pair of headphones. The original MW50 headphones were specifically designed to bring the iconic style of the MW60 from Master and Dynamic to a smaller and lighter ear style. The MW50 Plus is the same basic hardware, but comes with easily interchangeable pads to switch between the two styles of headphones at any time. The old ear pads on the ear and the newly inserted ear pads are made of viscoelastic foam covered in lambskin and magnetically bonded, which facilitates their removal. It's a seemingly minor update, but for users who hate having to decide between the headphones in the ear and over the ear, it's likely to be welcome. The rest of the MW50 Plus seems to be the same as its predecessor, with 40mm drivers, a Bluetooth range of 100 feet, a 16-hour battery and USB-C charging.